I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to change your costume in Marvel Rivals. Step 1. Navigate to the Marvel Rivals home screen and then click Heroes at the top of this screen. The Heroes screen opens. Step 2. Click the hero you want to change the costume for. In this example, I'll choose Magneto. The profile screen for that hero is displayed. Step 3. Click Cosmetics in the menu at the top of this screen to open a submenu, and then click Costumes in that submenu. Costume options for that specific character are shown. You should note that you don't have access to costumes with a lock icon in the top right corner of them. Step 4. Click to select one of the costumes you have unlocked to preview it, and then click Equip to set that costume as the primary costume for that character. That character will appear in that costume when you play him going forward. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.